I'm going to show you how to make this Mexican style fluffy rice.
Okay, first step, cut your capsicums. We're going to cut them into small little cubes. These are going to go into your rice, so don't make them too big. Next, we're going to do the same with the onions, dice them up nicely. Roughly chop your garlic, oil into a saucepan, add in your onions, fry them off, add in your capsicums, garlic, tomato paste, 2 cups of vegetable stock, and a tablespoon of lime juice. 1 cup of washed basmati rice, half a cup of frozen peas, 1 tablespoon of cumin. Simmer on a medium to high heat for 10 minutes. Then turn down and continue for 5 minutes. Then turn the heat off, keeping lid on and steam for a further 5 minutes. To finish, use a fork to fluff the rice, and there you have it. I'm serving it with some beef barbacoa. If you're after the recipe for this delicious beef, it's in the description or tap the video. Thanks for watching.